I was good, YouTube. So I wanted to show y'all something else, man. I want to show you how to use ChatGPT to research companies. I've showed you Yahoo Finance. I've showed you things like ETFDB. Now I want to show you because I think you need to be utilizing AI every day. Every day is something you can be utilizing it for, man. Something you can be utilizing it for. And I want to show you how to research companies using ChatGPT. I want to show you how you can dig into financials. So let's get into that. So we're gonna pick one of my favorites. One of my favorites, as you know, if you've been tapped in with me, um, Palantir. Palantir. So you've heard about Palantir. You're new to this. You don't really know where to look up the financials for a company like Palantir. So you come into ChatGPT and you prompt it. Give me a financial overview of Palantir. It's that simple. Just ask it a question like you would anything else. Give me a financial overview of Palantir, and look what it's gonna do. It's feeding you the information. Palantir, it's telling you what it is. It's a data analytics company specializing in software solutions for government agencies and large corporations. Here's an overview of recent financial performance. So, if you didn't know what Palantir was, you could even type in another prompt. Give me an overview of Palantir, and that'll give you an overview of the company's fundamentals, what they do, what businesses what businesses they're in partnership with. Give you a lot of great information about it. But right here, we're talking about the financials. So it's giving you revenue growth. In the third quarter of 2024, Palantir reported revenues of $725.52 million, a 30% increase from $558.16 million in the same quarter of 2023. Also looks over here. Look at this. It gives you a link to a website. You see what I'm saying? Now you just got put on game about a place you can look up this information for yourself if you didn't want to go to ChatGPT. I'm putting you down. You see what I'm saying? Profitability. That's what you want to know. So you want to know if a company is profitable, if you're going to invest in them. The company achieved a net income of $143.53 million in quarter 3 2024, and up from $71.51 million in quarter 3 2023. That's what we want to see. We want to see consistent growth. Q3 2023, they had $71.51 million. Q3 of this year, they had $143.53 million. That's growth. That's what we like to see when we invest in the companies. We want to see growth. We don't want to see you stagnant or going backwards. We want to see you growing. Annual performance for the 9 months ending September 30th, 2024, Palantir's revenue reached $2.04 billion compared to $1.62 billion in the same period of 2023. Net income for this period was $383.18 million, a significant rise from $116.43 million in 2023. That's what we want to see. We want to see that annual performance go up. We want to see that revenue go up. You see what I'm saying? That's what we want to see. That's showing us that the management team, they're taking care of the money. Not only are they profitable, because that's important, they're handling the money right. And once you start getting onto this stuff, then you can go into ROIC, return on invested capital, ROI, ROE, all of those metrics. Start digging a little deeper. Valuation metrics. As of December 2024, Palantir stock has experienced substantial growth with the year-to-date increase exceeding 300%. That's nuts. This is the type of stuff you want to know. The company forward price to sales ratio is among the highest in the S&P 500, reflecting strong market expectations, and that's what we want. We want to know that the company we're investing in has strong market expectations. That's showing us that there's room for growth. That revenues are going to get higher, profitability is going to get higher. That's what we want to know when we're investing in these companies. Another tab, Market Watch, putting you down. Contract extension, recent developments. See that? Recent developments. Palantir secured a $401 million contract extension with the U.S. Army for its AI-powered Army Advantage platform with a potential reach of $619 million. See that? Index inclusions. The company joined the NASDAQ 100 on December 23, 2024. See, it's giving you recent information, recent relevant information. You see what I'm saying? This is a great tool. These developments underscore Palantir's growing presence in the data analytics and defense sectors, contributing to its robust financial performance in 2024. And down here, it's giving you some more links to go look. Investopedia, investors.com, MarketWatch. So I'm showing you ChatGPT. You want to know some financials of a company? You want to know some resources, some tools on what to start looking into financials? You know, what websites to go to? ChatGPT. I just put you down on game. Just put you down on game, man. See you on the next one. We're going to keep it coming. We're going to keep it coming because 2025, we're going to make some money. We're going to make some money, and we're taking all the excuses out the game. We're taking all the excuses out the game. You're going to know how to invest. You're going to know where to go. You're going to know how to research these companies. And you're going to be a smart, intelligent investor. You see what I'm saying? It's not that hard. It's not that hard. I'm showing you. I'm showing you the game. You know? Tap in with your boy, man.